Welcome to another exciting edition of Sompa Xtra, your number one entertainment show right here on your number one station, Sompa 93.1. The show is also live on Sompa TV, so you can join us, and also on Facebook, Sompa 93.1 and Sompa TV Ghana. You can also follow us and also do the watching on YouTube. That's Sompa TV Ghana. So welcome once again. My name is Michael Donko, and I'm not here alone. I'm pretty much happy today because Dachihima has joined us. Tia is seated, and our birthday father is also seated. So it's a packed entertainment. It's a packed, well-packed one today. So quickly, my main call Dachihima. Dachihima. Dachihima be able. Oh, ya feel. Ni teacher cry ne boys. Wa feel sad. Oh, me say.
Wa kasa wa femi.
Feel sad.
Kashe, usha me sad.
Wa feel sad. Na say bibia baby aboko.
Oh. No me busa asa na wesiri.
There be say silence means consent.
Asa.
And it's a one kasa na ehn say wa make you comment. Onka de.
Onka bibi.
Menga say.
Say
ma feel.
Aye.
Okay, ma feel.
Boys so wa feel. I think say we okay. Sisi a.
Baby me okay.
Sa. Tia bi aboko.
Manka oba ma dwi ntie ye.
Tia bi aboko. Bi aboko. Eda Yankopon ase. Dachima ma yenhwe stories aba na fei. Yembobo ho. Eja yatena si de. Ye make sure say week ni mamamfo diareho. Nti yatena si ye be make sure say ye be yi ni so na free na ya put some smile on their faces. Nti yenhwe stories aba na Yembobo.
Okay, Skulfees me da se mama me sa akonya we. Me fa djuma de we sichia Sompa TV ahwefo nyina. Na Sompa 93.1 FM etiefo nyina. Se ne da ne abra nyina Saturday anase me menda bia ne no 9 pepe ye de entertainment Sompa Xtra ebremu no. And then so ya shase frɛ wo nua ne ka kire wo nua wadanfo bi maame wo papa se Sompa Xtra ya shase entertainment section no ye de ba hyehye so anu nti se wamba ambetna TV ne ho anase wan so radio na ahwa story say bekan e be fa waso echi onti ba kokra nti frɛ wo nua ne frɛ wadanfo ne frɛ obia na ombetna Sompa TV anase ombetie Sompa 93.1 FM na ye de djumadie no hyehye so anisa Miracle Films akasafa Messi asiedi ho ene asoriba movie bi omu yiye ehun nsensam nso ye de bebremu akrabato akasafa sene edidi atem esiwo Kumawood ne mu nso ye de emu nchechie mu beba Miracle Films na asanya akasafa entertainment ho ene nso ye de ehun enchiremu ebeba ena sene wo se movie production no said wo sen kankofo bi so ye eye ede omo ho ankasa hye dwumadie mu nso no Miracle Films na san akasa fa ho Shatalo Wolin so ho sensem wa Shatalo ni Michael Blackson so ho sensem wa ha sei akua donko akasa fa mema omo wo oman yi mu anase youth omo wo omo wa akasa fa ho ti se opese wo ho asema wo kan ya mentwe ho mfiri afidie no ho ena rasnene so ehon sensem wa hanoma ye de eno so ebebreo ti se woye rasnene fan so a tweben kasafide na se wo TV no na Skulfees e de emunche mu beba Black Sheriff so akasafa Indomie ho Indomie a ye di no wo oman yi mu no ene oman afa na babia ne so e de ehun chechemu ebebremu ena sister bi so a woton gobe e kan go ba gari ni aduan so ho sensem so epia ha na ma meja ni nyina ma Skulfees na ode nchemu na aka ni nyina abre.
All right, Dachima medase pa obase a na babia u am so mani age boys in chair on so afili last week or so guess baby na story be a yeah.
Sir.
Hey. Porn industry no. Boys who nya bia. But only there no more there because who nya $1 million ni bia. Ha and there obetimi di no agim. Ba Ghana there no pa there. Like mse wo hanka.
Last week there course wa han.
I was say pornography movie no nya bia. Sesi a nyese no ya brand no. Obesi. Oso nya bia.
Obewu. Obewu.
Kumie.
Mimi nkumba obewu. Jo de.
All right, make am full Silent Night Guest House and Event Center. I'm Obibia Oshayen, and I say Utie Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM. I heard a European standard. Any time bia and I only oba na mo beda fie. Sometimes I will say mu pie mo kwajojo mo ho. What I say? Sometimes I will say mu pie ko baabi ko hwehwe ne mafoforo. Eno kra no ekenya ado no. Ye wa warefo anasa dofo bi wa free say wo mo ware ya wo mo ko honeymoon. Wo mo mpie da. Nti Sabri get Silent Night Guest House and Event Center badge say almost services no enya agro obetimi no ho kani akọ makọ relax a day or two na fe modidi mo ho nkomo na eho no European standard hotel service no mde maw omutwa bed with breakfast na environment ni kama onim say enua ema oxygen no ma take carbon dioxide no enti Silent Night Guest House, they will call her Enria no bebre o ma hihye nkonwa yi ewo nua ase and is out dua na se a enframa pa bi na efa won no se dwumadie bi kra na wudi ana se adwen bi kra na opese wo fa eboa e ma otimi fa adwen yi pa enti hye no nso se abribia benya hoho ana se wankasa mpo opese ukọ ba bi ko jojo ho ana dwumadie bi na mudie no momode an se mudi moni be kire Silent Night Guest House and Event Center. So yeah, wedding, engagement, birthday party, dwumadie bia monko honum. Na omutonton nuane any drinks, aduane bia bi wo ho drinks nso abuso e wo ho. Na every Saturday enei ye pon ya ye nyina ye ekọ. Fi say live band no enche bia na ache se omode e hyehyɛ so Saturday bia e live band, adeche Sunday so a live band e ho e na a mutual special no. Enya gro kona hu se na manfo menim say manfo ani gi mutuo hu say say after church straight to Silent Night Guest House na fe mutual special no so atimi akọ enjoy bi kai na hye nso say Sunday bia a special fufu any a mutual party Silent Night Guest House ewo IPT nyenche ni ase kwan so ultra police station no a omo next junction ho na obehunu Silent Night Guest House and Event Center for 0540 9429 0540 9429 All right, so quickly yen share your stories no na yen boboso ewo ha the media share no Miracle Films over the week, you know, oba Sompa fie ha na oba na minim dwumadie so one ye general manager ye oru atofie akwa dwumadie a wodie drive time bia no dwumadie a wodie na minim oba so na no ne ye ne twetwe nkomo a na ye bebobo kwan ye befa so a ye be revive movie industry especially Kumawood ene ye beka ho nsem bebre sanse papa no ba ye no wokan nsem pi a ye hwa sansem no ebetimi aboa ama yesi ni twa no timi afa ne ntoma pa afra na wodidi nkomo no an wokan nsem bi na no ene to ye adwene mu kakra na osi I think say wahwe Asoriba movie ni da mo a mo hwe ye ne mo a mo tie ye no megidi say Asoriba movie ni ba ye no mo follow e na up to I think say part 4 na Papa Miracle chiremu a after the movie no Mercy Edu play a special role e wo movie nim na ye dwendwene ho ye bobo ho sika etumi say sa movie bi say role play etumi so be diskapa nanso papa ne dinsem bi to dwa ye wanwan yi o chiremu a o say I paid Mercy Edu 30 Ghana cedis for a Asoriba movie na wanwan yengo tie mra sisi a
it's a Mercy Edu the first movie Asoriba movie ni man 30 cedis
but I don't want to man why Skulfees Mercy Edu pa the first movie Asoriba of an no bre pa
huge
ana wo say owie sini ni nyina am say ekọ part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4
up to 4
owie o man say
30 cedis
30 Ghana cedis
huge sacrifice 30 cedis and look at share adwuma no a opese wo ye no enne nanaye konkan a waboro sa anti de afutu amede ma obi an se
all right enti afutu a odi ma obi an se enne se ade bi da wakoma so ana bibisi wani so se obeya a enhwe sika obenya ne nei utie sika a ode ma mesi asiedu nana yere ana ohene yere mesi asiedu a enhyenkran nanso ose maame ne hwe adwuma ana botaya a esi nani so no ene na ehia na nya sika ene obi wo hɔ a ohia moa opese oboa no nanso wama na opportunity no ohwe sika na hunya obenya ansana wateki da opportunity nanso hwe ohene yere mesiedu na opportunity ni hia no much more than sika na enei o take that step no sika be na onyaye baby asini edi na duru no watutu kwan bebre ena ade bia opese otobia no obeto na ebia de atwagu sesi ano ebia na wonte ase na emomigidi se yekoye anim no obete ase de nti a oma mesiedu eye 30 cedis no enkane na sinitwa no sika nim sa na emom baby ebetimi de wakoduru ene niema bia ewo ho ha te say DJ fo yesi payo utwa sini so a ebia na sika no wanya ne directly but sika no betimi afri baabi bebre na aba enti mpanfo ha ide ye bebobo ho na ye koso a ne twetwe nkomo na owura tofia kwa ene ye papa akrobeto edi nkomo bisa ne se amanfo kiremu a enkane na Kumawood sinitwa no na ekoyi amanfo ani gye ho every week bia no na new story eba new movie eba na ebi mu kiremu a atemdidie ya epeja na na se man home so ewo industry no ana movies ni mu no enne nam so a Kumawood no etimi above man na se movie industry no etimi tikokra na yebisa ye papa akrobeto ode nsem bi tudwa yenkotie mra sisi a
oh over yenhwe na amanfo ka say ade ba ko a ama Ghanaian movie no so ekọ form kakra eye sebe ebinum omde omhu ba gi mu a omkọ fefa nkrofobia atemdie wo behwa ade no bekọ akosi na obi twa obi poa na obi ka sebe asem a ehu ofin akire obi over sasem na omoka no na omo ya adwen
sinidwuma ne de enye ese well enye din a ti se obi ti se Samuel Nyameche ni sini enya kura na ye ni sini enya kura na ye deje meka ne zanze sini bi obeye bia no eye sini a no kura ni na ejira meka miri bi atwam ye kohia meeting bi na manfo se be na sini adwuma ya na omo kade sini no Nigeria for abegi sini ye eni ye nyanze nzem bebre Sabre miracle me kai pa na me meye sini ono asem okan se ono ma Nigeria sini begi hini wo Ghana edi se de ye nyina se ye stand come back ni enye hwe se Ghana sini begi na ye nya bibia ma no obe bibia ampani ampa ni ampa me mfo se enu afe ene Ghana tini se pa eti ye sa kolapse Nigeria sini kura miracle gina so eme kolapse kura eti eche na fe omo staff strategy bi to mo ya no ma be fa Ghana ni ba ko ebia wonga ye English no mdo mo ko ba ko na mi no mdo mo frafra ye be ni ewu je nkofu mu a ebia ye beto mo so sini no eti bra ni nyina no de tese sini ni de me no nya emi di obi ne ma ne say ye
okay
na mimi wuni say ye na say plan ahead
okay
adie bia ye bia enye se de ye na kosita ebe nfa
all right enti ensem kakra sei ena yen papa akrobeto otimi editu dwa wo chemu a enya atemdidie ya ewo movies ni mu no ena enam so a eba famsa nemum innovation sana broni beka no innovation se emre dane no anso adane hu bi okan ya kodu bre na ye bo CDs ana se ye koto piamonko esesa ba CD actually eba pen drive nemom innovation antimi ankoso enti ebra wo mani ba omo so na ada industries na take over enti kakra akrobeto etimi edit to dwa eno no na ye koso adi nkomo bisa se okay fine se enye no a na ebetimi aya ho kire ana sikasem ya fans no wo munni bia wo betimi dia support industry no example say bia ye premier nipa dodo a eba behwe because ye wo sini bi wo ha na se nke ye wo big theaters ni cinemas a etimi fa nipa dodo a ka I think say premiership ana premier bi be koso awie bia na at least na producer na etimi nyasika kakra or the best supporting the project and be sign the pushy project no na ye koso abisa ye papa miracle or den sembi tudwa o chem was say entertainment must be cheap or say entertainment I was say eye cheap and my maybe say question we anya bia wako YouTube wo hwe video bia when ya je ho all of a sudden na o data sa say na o feel ye enti a link to ye papa asema waka say entertainment must be cheap but den sem bebre na tudwa yenko tiemra
be entertainment be na say cheap
okay
na be etminya be hwa na say free
okay
so because esayare emani peniji emafie ahoto
yeah
intino say entertainment no be ye expensive aya na entertainment no emwa and on the tofia kwa adwuma eyi no omo muskapa no munya de omo hwebio
da bida no businessman no wada gisem ko sini
unless be obi on full plane
yeah
anu ye free no
yeah
obi on full plane when choice na be eyi no ahwebi
yeah
but apart from so to be ahwe no ye no omo ni sa de no
okay
entertainment omo from omo how
yes omo I say enye say they wo kan opese o kire say obi ni bia no say entertainment asemu na momu no eba sikasemu kura no a omo nche da ni top yeah
film for no na omo kofom no omo na omo at least you know the entertaining no na yeah
all right enti what you say entertainment must be cheap I was say etimi ye fo say na be ya wo mo ni bie eno anom de agigi o mani eno anom de gigi o mani because hu sikani na businessman na ot TV hu na when ani abrehwe movie be 2 hours and 3 hours your movie be up to part 4 enti sa hours ni nyina na I was spending emom eye wo mo a wo mu ni bi kese wo mo na wo mo de entertainment no agigi o mani enti at least entertainment no I was say etumi very very cheap example say bia cinema etimi fa nipa be 4,000 so mo premiere movie or charge no be different from cinema fa nipa be 500 because if more or less divide into say nipa no doors one price no be ba fam say nipa no e kakra bia wo hwe wa rent a whole venue for a program into at least one nya hwe kra no also be wie program no na sika wo de ewura mu no for a premiere no at least what me enya but here's the case ye ni cinemas are so nti hwe budget ni sika awram no na say at least premiere bia no ordinary ultimate sound like 50 CDs 100 CDs 1.5 nanso say nipa no koto movie na hwe kra say pen drive kra na nipa no koto and do that amount enti ya na I very difficult enti ye to aso abisa ne say okay ne kra mu no sinitwa ne hu so obia ni je ho na kwan ben so ene ebetimi afa ama yesinitwa aba fam no wana wode Nigeria for de ne baaye ena osan ma ne koye ena sesia no ense Sachra ya san bam enti megidi se wangasa betimi aye na yesei no kwan ben so ne ebefa yesinitwa no ebetimi asan ma ne ho so na asan pagya ne mu biem ode nsem bi tudwa yenti emra sesia
enti se ni wamba na estati na eko within 1 month 2 months 3 months within a year na movie is good why not obi abepem modern say odin hu be shem say at least you know obetuma sponsor say at least on so no ade a oton be de ben be konkan.
Okay.
But sacrifice now from the beginning there. There's no way between about because no media station be anyone or be could crucify the amount say may yet that sacrifice in the gene yet no.
Okay.
And Obia soon you are a producer bet me I say any maybe talk airtime and I'm ready I and so far.
Okay.
And there's a 3 a union and I'm fancy nipa 4 station no producer no actor and a crew. Now at least you know ye nyina ye na nya fam ko ade a definitely the more no at least in TV station nya sika na ye you know we dey part of it starting this year was Sompa first this year we say amanfo o je no obi kan se bi say nkofo bi begu mu no mo se ne ye di atam ne to fi nya yi o wo di ade na ba wie no na nkofo ba de be abese no.
All right, enti yen papa chiremu kwan ya be fa so a industry no ebetimi asan agina ne naso biem. Enti megidiye se before ha se beboa eno so wo mbe chire se bi omuso wo nimdia na adwen foforo bi a de ka ho abeboa san se yenyina ye paniye se kuma wood no ana movies na me angasa me enjoy bi pa. Enti the last one I de ka ho na ya ba fie no ye bisa no se sika wo de ma mesuasie edu 30 cedis no a wakan onji ni se ebetimi abu obi abam obi a opese owura industry nim because obi a ye adwuma bi a wo hwese at the end of the day no obetimi anya bibi kakra free mu but wo hwe sika wo de ma ye ma me mesuasie edu after Asoriba movie part 1 2 3 4 undi ni se nshenkran betimi abu amanfo abam nemom okoso a kan se mi kakra na ede o se miracle ana se movie production no sacrifice no miracle ofato ne ho so na ofato ne ho so no abo ne bebre enti movie business na nkasa sacrifice yengo tie nsem okan
obi an se senior juma no ehia sacrifice so want me an sacrifice or time want me an sacrifice your friend say sikasem want me an sacrifice no ma bia ebeye din so betimi apie enye omon kon le wen no be sacrifice kwakuma no be sacrifice emira bobe obi o kira de
ya no kira de
we teacher ni o kira de wo boase ya post no from the chrome wo kira de wo boase o
ne o ka hinta sem wo show isu hey sir
you sacrifice men kira de biem it not make sense hey we are sure say
wakonu suku awie ne aposti no
owo boase o kira de sininti huge sacrifice
wow
and I believe strongly say otuna ni hwe
maybe an classmates for
the mess ne unse so be ye celebrity anya sika nko
dabi
enipa crowd de pupa hwe wono kra no eye adinya kese enti ko hwe kasabe ogina classroom kira de
oni my who say a teacher for the house flash no
eye sacrifice why never say why never tell ka that's me mo bi are but what decide is amazing
serious o because I better kwa na sika nim but was say ya hwe mi school ama wie bia ma training college wie and so me sacrifice no ma ba be yesin mi nya sika but ene Emilia Brobe die no ntimi nye
look at the Jacko ya didn't start the na the Jacko
wow
huge sacrifice me body bebre no mo ana ye kan producers bebre ho kra ye adwuma o man tuo mo ka
all right join your Facebook Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV Ghana obetimi so join ye YouTube Sompa TV Ghana Facebook no Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV Ghana oba YouTube Sompa TV Ghana yemra fie na yembobo ho stories bobo so nyina miracle say message do first movie or didn't try o man 30 series afia akrobeto say nya tem didie ene ma kuma odana ye movie industry no etimi aba fem sa afia ye papa say entertainment must be cheap. Only ni adwin and only ni adwin. Na okoso a chere say neno say industry investment amane ho so be my say at least your premier movies every week be a sinifo fro na yayi. Every week be a sinifo fro na yayi. And no betimi asa boa because people want or they need new contents. Movies say wo ho nyina ya hwe ni nyina. At least say every week be na for ba amount for person benya interest e wo mu afi o sisi ni twa no sacrifice ti ai mama no nsha ase na sorry sa bai
Skulfees
then I walk afa
me fa akwanya we so chia obi o tie ne bia
okay
na me ma dache hima so ya akọ sama to dache hima de I just a voice king kwa na beti me acheche ne ra mai tie me nya ba no ya
yeah.
Okay, Skulfees.
Yeah.
The first story I'm making Miracle Films. Asama Oba Studio Obeka, you know. I think that Miracle Films they all sama like he's so professional and why nache in the industry said any quite be home. And frankly speaking, I totally support everything that he said.
Okay.
Ghana for lamented for quite a long time, see a movie industry, you know.
Yeah.
A co-form. Now, media, I don't blame the actors and actresses entirely.
Okay.
Sometimes I blame people like the traditional media, that is radio stations and TV stations, you know. Sometimes I blame them because prime time radio or TV time, no. Yeah, the ninja telenovelas, and share movies are now long series from Mexico, from Malaysia, from Philippines. Any share omo telenovelas. And no kwaya sama sa telenovelas no. Actors and actresses no. Yama omo catchy. There's omo kasa no mo kana ya sa can chi se na be obi abeti.
Yeah.
And as uncle for no so storyline omo de ba no ho. So perfect say o sha for a very long time no.
Yeah.
Ube follow omo to say adeni besi. Kai say maybe a chim. Now me share back be no friend no. Is it La Supadora also? A chepa that time yes. Story no every episode be on the show biano. Interesting. Every episode be biano interesting.
Yeah.
And the Emma we interest. Our series now here. Emma tinko.
Yeah.
Until the bia not time no so you are rushing to go watch it.
Yeah.
Until this period that a big person like Mr. Samuel Nyamiche.
Yeah.
What Bano catcher say this and this maybe it's my reviving industry, no. I support him 100%. Okay. It is something that we should all rally behind him. Na Yemanim Peja. Now in the Miracle Films, he's part of the people like Omugrumi, Ejako, Messi Siedu, Nanama McBrown,
Emilia Brobe.
Any meal for Tim Chain.
Why you see? Wow.
Now one funny thing.
No.
When a director is good at home, he knows who and who to pay.
Yeah.
So we hear your local movies now.
Yeah.
Everybody will tell you say you pay Wayosi. Any Ejako
na be
movie no. Oh yeah, wine. 3 hours. So better na one.
Yeah.
You pay Ejako any Messi Siedu. Oh yeah, wine. Oh better na one.
Yeah.
Because of marriage, you know, interesting. Say Wayosi ye Ejako ba. Say no be see ha Ejako no. Like a bema movie now is so interesting. And when a director is good at Sanema we nyina otimi hu because say we are not professional, we are not directors, but we utimi hwe movie be now catch on say movie we the role we we play anye role we play and said anye into everything that he is saying I support him. Now as to say insult Emma your movies in the call form no.
Yeah.
You know see it true.
Insult no.
True. Say yes.
Okay.
Say utimi hwe local movies be ho. Na almost every scene be here no. 10 scenes ubenya about 7 insult. Okay. I don't want to mention names. People are popular on social media now
with insults
because of insults.
Good, because nanka me be can this nana yeboa.
Mr. Media, I said I don't want to mention names.
Me one say ne acting no de boa no ma nipa hunu no kese. Aye na tem didie. me checking attempt the day rough.
Oh, I want a positive part.
Good, because Otimicha wa na tem no be yama no. See, I try no kwa de two baby views ni likes are a course massa, you know. Me when is one say movies na ya wo mo ehwe ye dada sitinam because na ko Kamban House a adechi ama me bia tem obedi ne ba no it goes on. See me dear me when is it's part of us.
When director of movies ma,
Yeah.
I think some name was Shena or
Okay.
address CB.
Okay.
And then entirely say Nipanoba cinema always it should be insult.
Atem kwa, okay.
Yes, because Nipane movie na cut across. And a baby a movie they already entertaining you.
Yeah.
Oh, baby a movie no be kwa kopi say Nipano mo de relax your brain like there are some hard words that they don't have to hear.
Yeah.
So anything a boo a comedy, tragic comedy, like a one sector movie, no, yeah, they
What can sempa? Me anti be frabroche by. No ba on money share your local movies no.
okay.
Because pese on beti aboa sebe kwasia on pese on beti te words bi. Any attend di bi no masua because omote no monte ase on bebisa. No mbisa o chem sen.
Yeah, house what
I think
say movie editing no. Abrofo na advance to the point say baby did the attempt no.
Yeah.
Omutimi ma ho eh omutimi mute ho.
Yeah.
So but ha say you know like we watch everything. Nti eno ye ade abrofo na advance I know with time we also get there. Nti Mr. Samuel Nyamiche na dream power say nya say obeboa sound revival movie industry no. I think we should all rally behind him. One thing that I want to say, I didn't want to forget this.
Yeah.
One thing I want to say is it can't solely rely on him.
Yeah.
Now, actors, you know, amount of mobeji. Yeah, beshe. Yeah, honke kan yeah, de beshe. Ghanaians, if you lose interest, Ghana movies.
Movie no, yeah.
Inti say, yeah, honke kan actors and your imagine say now moving no form. Yeah, in charge be now want to bring out the professionalism away more.
Yeah.
And so maybe we come to think of the money because you say financing a movie and now say we movies also won't say you have very strong competition.
Yeah.
YouTube or telenovelas and so you're very active. So if you want yours to be very active, not you're going to back Ghana movies so if free Nigerian movies as well. I was say Sikachiane Sane Maninano. It needs to go down a bit.
Okay.
Send a beya or more finance production in Yanano. Or more humbeto to Mokakra or Mitma.
I mean, for when chipping, Unjin this producers Kroya Nema Sikasem no Peja do that level.
Oh, I think say Adebia say demand no costra.
Okay.
Scanner woman no be costro. I feel say demand for a Jaco, demand for me papa. Or Boisiki, demand for Wayosi, demand for Messi, it was up.
Yeah.
And Obian soon him say me demand cause I'll charge.
Yeah.
Inti.
Okay.
Or no who say Nejuman or you know. Ti one who say demand cause when if I should be an actor, now in a week I get about 5 producers calling me for a movie role.
Yeah.
Nipa be able to because
So
every moment your friend yes.
Yeah.
Or in the time also the Jiska. Because we won't say and lasted forever.
Okay.
With time, no be obesa from to producers and they understand this. But they should come to a consensus say producer, actor, actress. Now yet here wants to say I didn't call form. We want to revive it.
Okay.
Into one now Biano. I think say no beboa.
And no common sacrifice no.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The next story I want to talk about is
Shatawale. 1 minute.
Okay.
I know they are oh.
Yeah,
back.
Okay.
What's that?
All right.
It's a nice one there. Yeah. That's it, man. My memo 3 minutes. Debbie, my member and say why you see buy and share. Into me, we are member boss woman. Aha. Debbie, we are member boss woman. No one story. No. That's oh, sir. But I was said that yes, once I face now, O2 Quine. And see, young fans, Mummy and Nina, and your mamma special quaba. Why, Johnny B? Why is it super idea? Is that Dabiana or no? So you're All right, that's it, Mama. You
Oh, baby, I did a question.
say me zone, I need 5G. No, one on Umbia.
Oh, yeah, she said no one said no.
Room, baby.
No one said no. Okay.
Oh God! All right, that's it, Mama. You
My car supported the.
Tia kind. Okay.
And did that tell me the in fact, a bit on my. I know a damn pa.
Okay.
And sometimes you say, make it are any interesting though.
Yeah.
But Sunday, I had that tell me see woman. A man crying baby pick it.
Oh yeah.
Or my fan to say joke be or the can't
or the entertaining.
Yes, or him say penny crown or casano bona or the
because of so soon was seen.
Yes, because or who say penny be neka.
Okay.
Into senka no so beba form kakra.
Okay.
Even though it's entertaining though, but okay say oh the nini ne yes say that time you end up collapsing it again.
Okay.
Na send me say dream send it. E be ya ombetimi apagya ade we.
Say na papa ka say.
Send it. Enkofo ani asan kokodi telenovela ne Nigerian movies no. I wonder how ombesi apagya ade we.
Who say mrebi na sa na ti o.
Yes, ombetimi aye. But omu hia understanding. Odo nkan bom. Because Omama or I don't know what na amba back. And I said, I say what say about movie industry ni mu. And I say I can be sacrifice na work on so Omama na no so ma. This one a very difficult say or meet me as baba because I know obi aye ni YouTube onya
ni kakra free ho.
Yes, onya ni followers akra bi na okwa.
Yeah.
O fe na omba. Because onim so ba kra be gi agu. Enti omu hia say omu be
meka omu ho abom.
Na odona na omu de yakane no.
Yeah.
Omu sign edeba.
Okay.
Any on say 19 can I say
backbiting 90 twitwa.
E ho say ni no mu jai.
Okay.
So man jai a enye ye da. Even say ba ko father dey say that the mayor dey. Na that the way say ko dey bi o the way enye you ko fa we. Me wan ka we na the best person for that position.
Me kra ma tisa asem ni da abi da. You say na industry player bi pa so omu hia oba bi a ono timi ka so oba we enko for oba we otimi ye de we timi ye ni bi
wa fa ne da anti ana
wa fa ne se wa fa no e wo move ai na twa movie ana se hey
But Bible to name wo. I hope say Cain and Abel, right? Kwaji ni nyenjira.
Okwaji ni nyenjira.
Eh, jeno de.
Wa fa na wa ji ni sika bi ana wa bribe ni bi ntino.
Okay.
Me wa that person is not fit that for the position.
But still
obe force say or this any ban ba be na nipa anka obetimi aya ade ni ye no etinchen.
Okay.
Nti say o man jai san ne man kitin ni san no kitin na ewo.
That's my work set so that na. Because the way I will see church ade na so be our set.
It's just like ejuma mu.
Okay.
So the ye wa hai. Yeti hai. Say e bia wo betimi aya ade. Na ya fo anya na nipa fo be ya. The same thing.
Okay.
E bi na nipa bi na tire bi ka say Skulfees don't timi yo mi wa ka wo na nka betimi aye.
Okay.
Esi wo ba bia. Nti o mbe hia odo.
Okay.
Nka bom nti ase sene na omo ye ne kane no. So omo sa de sa odo ne baba ka. I think say enu beboa than enuro na omo de bewura mu no than ahomaso ne enchire ho ana say o da bia fa wo nya ne enye we yi mu no. So mo forget sa na ma ni nyina. I think so omo betimi na they didn't cramp on a telenovela omo de ba omo ka ye language
ye kasa
na omo form omo kasa ne mba
onji ni say was aban so bambi ode ne nancy for member restrictions be.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Because one ba mu bia how like I am in me wa Ghana for na so omo do mo yes adwuma no and I didn't say ye nja yo mo de ne hwe na ye hwe ye de na ye nti yase ne ye hu say asem si we na yi movie na e kwakofa
foreign one now be country
now obi Ghana ni na say e translate adema mai.
Okay.
Na ye ino so na Ghana for hwe kunkum bag ya ba yi
omo hwe ya
egu aware nkofo aduane ese. So you can imagine me why you Ghana for movies be bre wo hono ma obetimi ahwa eye more interest in campus ne eno.
Okay.
But because of somebody ye kasa ba hye mu na ya amana ye
almost my interesting scenes bi ba munti
no ana Ghana for so say kunkum bag ya for bi
wenche they say be bre content no be bre o ho. All right, that's it, man. Me that's it. Mamenko boys so. Na papa mamindi can bisa and we dey happy birthday. Happy birthday. But still you better. Papa na pese mbisa say, yeah papa miracle ka say. Opese oto ne nsa efre obi. Anase amanfo industry players. No mo come ho bom. No mo sign the movie ba every week. Na akwa say na watching bia no. Ye benya movie fofra ye be premiere o TV bi so. And I'm so ma ye general manager Ora Tofia kwa. Eji to mu say Tra One Media ye ne Miracle Films be kan bom. Na ya mamu bia 2 hours and 1 hour say na watching bia movie fofro beba new movie. Na o kan say me say e was say players no so ye ready say one be sacrifice. Ofre ye mame ohene yire mesesi dum o kire me say why ready. So friend ne obeba bra wonje hwe. So far as a movie no every week bia ebeba yen screens so. Na one akrobeto so ye ne twetwe nkomo bisa no so ka say wonje hwe. Timbeze mbisa o say baby asesi a movie sinitwam wadru level a wadru. Say ko ban say bibisa betimi aboa ma industry na gina ne nan so na papa frɛ wa. Obeji atum so ba ya aboa wa bra wonje hwe.
Wabusa wrong person.
And nothing because your person industry need the same page.
Mabisa wabusa wrong person. It's answer. One more mukasari nyina no. Omni meji ni mutwi.
Pa.
Me bo. Me die minute na me bo.
Okay.
So me finish
extra time
na me bo.
Okay.
Ndi saa niema we no nyina no. Me mfa me ho nyim.
Okay.
Isan se mi be yesini no. Na muska.
Dada.
Saa na me kanu.
Yeah.
Nti na me nyi wo muska.
Na say oso wura sini no na ukọ set so a wonje o muska.
Na me nyi wo muska na me twa ne free ma wo mo.
Isan passion odo ana wo ma ade nti. Good.
Na me dia na me ye no. Na omu dane ni sini saa no. Na ye me fe keke.
Okay. Sama na mo ye concert party no. Any akan drama no a wo de buy. Okay.
Omu ye ne saa na me fe nti me ba na me yiska. Be na me ye adwuma.
Okay.
Na me ye adwuma. Nti adwuma na me ye no. Ne ska wo mu nti na me mpe saa
omu sika no. Okay. Okay. Good.
Na say si a me tie yi. Se wo frɛ me se me na me ye adwuma.
Yeah.
Na ye nyini wo baby am say ye adwuma ho.
Yeah.
Magiska.
Okay.
Magiska fi say me boa na ye yikura no a.
Fa so ndɛ senka akire ma ba be di o.
Akire ma no be di na me manka ho. Because me mama me baby a wo say adwuma we.
Mon ram.
Mon fa no ram da.
Oh, papa den.
Mpe asasem no kurati.
Oh.
Me baby a obewura say adwuma we mu no. Ji se bia mawu. Na me tiase de. Never.
Papa ubechirem kakra na.
Me nchirem ne. Ntiyem ko de.
All right.
E wo ho no.
Yenhwe nsema ye papa e de atudwan. E betumi aboa.
Odidi kai no. Eye we first movie
o man 30 cities no. Yeah.
Scan ko de man no. Ne ni kwa so many bi.
Eni kwa nsen ko man is kakra.
No.
Aden.
Sini no se obi betwa bia et said ye ne ye concert no.
Okay.
Ye passion bi ne de ba e be wuram ti se utie ye ne ma o chance se twa bia. Ye mfie ni nko sika ho.
Okay.
Sa sini na o ka no wa yo twa bi.
O twa sa sini ni bi.
O twa sini ni bi.
Okay.
Eye concert party ani ati group no wo Kumasi e bra na wa akra na ye beti bi wo Kumasi indi Kumasi ye group no nia ye de ne to ano no me na me ya advisor.
Okay.
De ye de ne to ano no ono na twere sa story no
sorry ba no
ono twere.
Okay.
Nti o twere no ono na recommend maame no
maame mesisi edu
ema papa no de story na koma no.
Okay.
Nti papa no ba ye group no mu so
papa no ba ye group no mo oba ye no ɛna ɔka sɛ obeyi nipa ni bi ɛde akɔ ye saa movie no
Okay.
so ɛnam sɛ o recommend we ni ntino ɛna ye ma akwa ma ɔdo de ne kɔye enti wo mo na wo ka ho no mpanyimfa na wo ka ho no a wo mbetima pray wuro no bi ni na no ya ma kwa ya ma omo anyin omo anko because ye fa ne say omo kwa concert party nsu begu isan say na concert party no na wo cultural center ye rehearsals and sound omo di movie no ebe wura cultural center ho so nti bra omo twi maame na akoro
Yeah.
na me ni maame ne ye one pa because
We tight pa.
na we ekuro na yate no
Yeah.
na me no ene ye twan said ye
Okay.
ene bi ye
Muna maseme din.
ti asimasi
Okay.
ena me o support me
Okay.
and the time ye mienu
Mo boss pa.
ni e create confusion
Hey.
ewum
Okay.
nti wo kɔ na ha me
Oh.
bet e ya ade a story ne na efa no ena okoye nti nesika se bi anye dai
Enim.
eni na dwenim
Okay.
no okoye no so no enam concert na
No wo ye
na
dada
yɛ
no.
unity saa wuro no wo kyerɛ no sɛ na ka wo ne nsɛm dada
Yeah.
because of yɛn deɛ no yɛyɛ life one
Yeah.
and
And the Jensen there.
Jensen we
Yeah.
tina onto of an easy so and a ma utumi yɛ ya obi ehunu sɛ so sisa concert for no be wura mu a
Ebeboa. Yeah.
oh
Yeah.
nti sika no o ka so de ma no kra no
Okay.
fofo no
Okay.
because na yɛn no enye skanti na
Mo ye.
yɛyɛ adwuma no
Okay.
na yɛ passion a yɛwɔ ɛma adwuma no ɛna na yɛde yɛ adwuma no saa
Yeah.
nti hɔnom no deɛ saa no bɛtumi aka no menim story no nyinaa because ɔbɛfa no nyinaa yɛni
Na wo
ɛna
ho.
ɔfaa no yɛ
Okay.
ɛwɔ cultural center
Okay.
na ɛno firi hɔ a sini no a ɔmo se yɛdidi atɛm no ɛyɛ a na ɔmo ka nsɛm a mente ateɛ atɛm didi ɛsɛ sɛ mimi ma sini nam didi atɛm
Dada.
misua wɔ me nkura abirim nam didi mpanyinfoɔ kora atɛm
Hey.
misua wo
Saa.
mekae
Uswa nyina.
misua at the age of 12 ne one nyina kete
Nice your habit.
ɛyɛ me fɛ kɛkɛ sima ka bi sɛ Jimmy mitimi frɛ nipa kora din Jimmy bra
Eyo fe keke.
Keke.
But you don't mean it say udi na tem.
no me sɛ me ni atam
Okay.
eti saa nneɛma no a na ɛwɔ sinim no
Yeah.
yɛwɔ wuro bi wɔ hɔ a yɛde ma wa ɛno so ɛno deɛ atɛni sɛ didi atam didi na atam
Wo de wuro a wo play no no.
yɛde ama wo sɛ sɛ nipa wo ɔba a ɛntwe ma no koraa
Okay.
yɛsɛ
Yeah.
so ɔta seɛ enti so ɔmo ka sɛ atɛni yɛ nna nhyɛ da ni sinimu saa wo
Okay.
so ɔho obi te sɛ kwaku sɛ ibra kwaku baayɛ no
Yeah.
na ɔyɛ nyeesɛm ɔno wɔde
Guy sɛm.
ɛnea den
Yeah.
wei ɛna ɔfɔ so yɛ a ɛma no bɛpɛgya
Pejaya, yeah.
obiara ne saa odi wura mu so ɔho agya koodi agodie bi rɔfo
Rɔfo bi.
bi ɛne nneɛma bi a na ɔyɛ no wɔ concert party no ɛno ara na ɔde baayɛ a ɔde bɛyɛ
Na
Ɔhu sɛ
wayo so de
wɔyɛ
aso
soso
den.
ɛne
Akora na so den.
wɔyɛ ha wɔyɛ stubborn
Stubborn.
from no ɔyɛ stubborn
Aha.
so ɔho
Nice ono so any habit.
asɛm na woka no nyɛ me masɛm o dabi ti sɛ bia kurofo no na akyɛra na woyɛ saa nka sɛ kurofo
Go for
Dabi o deɛ mi ka ne sɛ
Yes.
story na ɛda hɔ no enipa no a ɔyɛ adeɛ no
Yeah.
ɛnam sɛ baabi a no ɔwɔ no Sini no.
ɛyɛ research na na yɛ ameyɛ
Hey.
meyɛ research
To say that your research ehun sɛnea akora na so den nam na so den a say na ɔyɛ.
yɛ bia kurofo mo no mahunu kakra na mafɛ
Yes.
bi wɔ ashtown
Kakra ka ho na opeke sa.
but wei nyinaa akyi no sɛ wonni saa karata no
Untumi nye ni yie.
ɔtire kura ɛnyɛ dɛ
Enye yie.
ɔtire
Yes.
so ɔte aseɛ
Ɔkorɛ.
enti nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ nom a obi wɔ hɔ nom a field hɔ no yɛde ne hyɛ ɔpɛ
Yeah.
ɔbɛyɛ best wɔ bibia mu ɔntwe ma wo
Because I can hold that onim sa de ne
ɛna
dada.
ɔsa n'ani ɛɛden
Yes.
ɔborɔ no na ɔte yɛte so no
Enye easy.
w'ani nya den a
Untumi ntina ho.
wontumi ntena hɔ
Yeah.
enti saa ni ɛden no ɔbapa no mu boro koraa ɔmpene sɛ ɔbapa no mu no Obago no so papa no mo no. But o try so obabo no a. Oni madwene woni ti mo de be yi o papa.
Obeko.
Yeah. So enti ya ade a saa teni na asem no obo ka no. Maybe no me nyadwe. So fra ko beta ka say.
I say nya no da bi.
And man ye.
Yeah.
Na wo ba de na akosi ka no say. Sini no mpese ye no.
Yeah. Every week be at least yen premiere new one.
Asem a wo ka no. Koko sechi wo kasa kire boni kirefo a otire bebuom.
Okay.
Na obu mu be. Betebe no to fit ase no wanti ase yi.
I just o kire ye mu.
Oh say sini no. O kan o be wie no o si sika kuraje se o ye dai. Who
sacrifice it? Yeah. Aboa, yeah.
Enti sa sika sab no. Obeto o kire se mo betimi di sika. Abotu sika bi ato ho a. Omni obia betumi akasa. Crew ebeba fom ewo di sika mu. Characters beba fom ewo mu sika mu. Directors beba fom ewo mu sika mu. Na ye twa ade no say wiki bia hana ye de ba. Enti wiki bia ye twa ewo ho series we ni ye twa. A movie we bet your friend series. Because of say we be ni da bia ni ti no.
Yeah, we be ni series.
Aha.
Ti say akokra mafia yi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Enti eno no ye twa ye nim say said ye no mu twa fie wura no. Said ye no mu twa fie wura.
Yeah.
Say bi pepepe. Enti say mu be ye bia eno wo characters ya. Ono mbekasa. Obia be na dwe say oboboa.
Yeah.
On say we ka so obetwa ne free.
Yeah.
We so obetwa ne free. Ono no de obi ofa ne nsem bia no a ofre no a onye dey. Oma.
Yeah.
Obi ofa ne nsem bia ofre no obeba.
Yeah.
Mbemma sini no also owo story a otwa efie nsem ne niema a ekoso system no mu no.
Yeah.
Eno na akosi twa.
Okay.
Tempia wodi bi abrabo
Munsem
we ko
de ekoso
ena odi twa sini no.
Okay.
Nti ono oya ebetima hi. Nti menko ana eba se meye bia.
Obeje kakra.
Media be nya kakra.
Obeje dia o sa oje.
Magiska, magiska.
All right. Yeah, better asi bebre. My yanko wayo si oba na otie yen. Ye ni etina ya che. But inimsa bibia so odi dwuma no so eboa ye nyina anti. Wayo si akwaba.
Me jusu ebru obi ade atwede da ho.
Azemo. We dey anu eden.
Oh sure.
Anu eden. Dachi hima na twede da ho.
Okay.
And the Goliath twede pa na Samson twede na anu eden.
Okay.
Sɛ na wasi anu num 5G ni ayi a ama na hyehyɛ na he wa hwe ya.
Also no kangen water.
Kangen water so dey obi anim sɛ so krojin. All right, ba panyima yenti we.
Yes, school dey wadaro mama me fa nwura ba bi kakra bi wa.
Okay.
Nyame adma on the 7th to 10th April.
Okay.
Of Ascend Motors. So ye homecoming e wotepa.
Okay.
Yeah, or ye homecoming wotepa.
Tepa minim hop.
Yes. Kuma would actors and actresses in the do na eba konti do honoma ebe ye butu.
Pa Wofasani.
Of Ascend.
Wofasem
Motors.
Wofasem Motors.
Yeah,
very well. Okay.
Oyo goro.
Michiane pa. Michiane pa. Wofasem.
O Ghana. O Accra.
Aye. Anyway, I lead you.
Mejidi se ba na otie yen.
Otie
ehwe so ka ho.
Anti ya mama mfa anu ho.
Okay.
Dia Mr. Miracle kan no. Aye no crutch say. Ebra mi wura movie industry mu no. Nipa na odi mi wura mu friend Jackson Kebentum.
Yeah.
Na me na mu kroni mi di papa na tem.
Oh
Yes.
Aden.
Mi nyan kasetia.
Obi a odi wura sini twam.
Because na me hunu bi se na omu nkasa ensem papa mfa omu na omu yesini ho.
Okay.
Ya asa omu ya sansan fo bra bi chese ensem basa bi omu ni baby da ni.
Yeah.
Eti papa ne be fa no mi hunu se aso ye metamfo.
Aso bejeje wakose o.
Na odi mi ku rasa atebia. Amanfo kasetia omu da ni de nyina. Ye omu die kura no.
Omunya.
Ebi di ma na be fa but na ma bompa ye se me pese nyame suma ewiase obi ehu me. Ni wa ma mini radio station baba ni TV station. Say na kwan no so na no de me fa so na me so me si sa kwan no.
Unshire ba na ubo to go.
Tim ka che papa no say in fact oni abusua wo ana.
Sa asem no na o kan
O me ka che no.
Eh.
So oni ma ho oni nuamu ho botim no na me ana pese odi me e die pa na papa no me hunu sa odi me ko se no me mu
eh
ana me busa na se e bo bodin bi kire no se impa sumesia na obenten wonche me japade a waye wo sini mu ana waye mfa chunche se brad blasters start here no old players no mo nyeska but ena asamoja mo obobodin ana so okay nti edie pa na office me bitima yo because na me pese me adwuma no
okay
ti papa no convince me ama ameti na se ti me first movie am try ye friend awie yeah na I Master Richard Kwame Osu ansa wonya no baby called Suzy Williams no mu nyina wo nti me ko do set no so na omo kan action no me yim sheme
aish nim action movie
yim sheme pa because edie asem na mbeka ana that time so agokuda mo Suzy Williams mu nyina jina mu bi
Kwame Osu ansa mo
Master Richard
tax
sa sine na ya ko second movie
okay
Bob Santo mu nyina wo mu eti biye ye twa first one we na busa director nsam ya dia no senane omo ma misika manye
wanyiska no
manyiska my first movie manyiska
okay
eno kwa nyese biya ska ye de Laura Fair Jennifer Kofi manye
adan
matimi ne mpanifo wo ya dia me manyiska
okay
ho na mtumi moto
fast
Adam Kofi the second movie matrikio ye twa me ka 50 Ghana cedis
kanisika 500,000
yes
50 cedis
okay na no kra na me su hu sei ansa na me yi misika
adan na osu ho
bra ye me kone bra sa afi ne mabamu abu ne manu me hu sa enti na me pa me ka che
me nya adwuma yi aw
enti se de papa ka se ye ma masesi edu 30 cedis no na so na ya mpa
se no wie ya ye dem na e share nsem no
yes
okay
chama enough because yem yenhwe
yeah
na mesi mu so don so mu free concert party mu
and the buy
no
more experience
owunim de dada
yeah
owunim dada eti mesi kasa o ye right say o kasa na fe so papa so obaye de series wa
o person de new movie ba abribia na every week bia no say Sunday anwumre na Saturday anwumre new movie every week bia new movie ojidi says amanfo hunu say na watwe bia new Ghanaian movie eba premiere wo Sompa I think say na watwe bi obi abetena say o mi amenkɔhwɛ new movie a Ghana for na Kumawood dia yeden aba enya story
ye besre wo mo pa producers ni bi ena ma ye ni tie
yeah okay
obi be ye adwuma na so mun sacrifice be later na ka bia wodam no but obetwa de so wo ye nanu mo ntom ye hu sa se tem bia na ye mri ye mo jani
no munni
okay ye be say papa miracle so see ye sacrifice ya ye mu bi ye be sacrifice
okay
de mo madu ba bia adidi ni wona omuma ye nsu ye hu no se adidi ya ba because bia o yi ni free if you at least which many sponsors be kakra
yeah
what you say we sponsor we omuma ye hu no san say you tu ho che ne ye me papa no anya on de me ba ye but me respect ne pa
okay
ofra me semra me anya dwuma me nyine taku me nyine sempo a
okay
na mom
se bia
adidi ne ba mo fancy
okay
and that kasa ke sie enya ye
okay
sabi o tafra je enso de mu bia
okay and that's it na yebekwa ahoma no so na akoti amanfo aso adwenkyere because me gidi se obi apese ye industry no esan ema ne ho so enu nti na ne ye first ye dia discuss sa we ya ye pese anamo a ye papa de aba no otu na eboa ye nyina enti 0551 931 931 0541 931 931 and 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I try to film me a tampon kwame.
A champo kasa free.
The kasa free papra.
A champo yetio.
We me da yebra wa yosi. Ene me papa obosi kiase. So mo kan e trodo directors no directors ni di mo echiedi. There is a one. Obe bro mo je ni o set me so se be yo PA last minute. O kokora tese one siri kura on fa ma okra no aye de wako. In ministre no say yes so yen kami na ya ba ne so yes tra omo a omunyi empie ni yes so ye dey. Yes so intimi nko ye ni. Biso kakra me waka no no.
Ebe da say hello. Me ba cho odi ni baby akasa free. Me ba cho men hwe TV no hello. Hello.
Yes sir.
Me ba cho odi ni baby akasa free.
My name is Anthony.
Okay. Where are you calling from?
Hello.
Anthony, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Tema.
All right, let's hear you, Anthony.
I thank Wayosi and the woman youth.
Boys.
I like what they are doing, and I appreciated people and the Najako movie video after some time ago.
Oh, okay.
So, and I wish they should continue with the good work. Sometimes we learn a lot from them. Papa Soja and all those movies they acted, even though by then we were young and we were watching them, we enjoyed them. So I wish they should do that to improve we those that are young so that we can also learn that from that. So I think they're doing a good work. May God be with them.
All right, amen. Thank you so much for calling. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho dini baby akasa free. Tio minia.
So papa.
Say yenton kan ye to be gina ye na wasan free. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho dini baby akasa free.
But me kasa free ya tre.
Okay, udin the saying.
But the frame ya uzu.
Ya ye tio.
But so movie ya mo so mo ba be ya si die. Anything ka ọmọdé bank ebe boy pa because ye need Ghanaian movie for pa.
Okay.
Ghanaian movie dey need you pa why you see mo nyina movie ye need you pa ye be tro mo so mo dey mo be see movie mama e.
Okay. That's it. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho dini baby akasa free. All right, ye tio minia.
Me ba cho ne omo de ana ene no edidia temu no ayombo ntia tsaje yo mo se press ye twam bina me boom by me no ye kasa asem ye no ya lewen ya say like e kasa asem leta industry no the in other countries and so cost me industry and kuna omo issue yeah said moving at test nti tafa side that is that will be and we lay answer night amwa yeah sure
all right yenso ye da say hello. Me ba cho udin baby akasa free.
Okay.
Me ba cho ma o radio ana o TV ni nko fem kra na yen kasa o phone so why. Hello. Aha, me ba cho ye ti o.
Yo, me fa cho fa ni pa tet kono. Me ka se free kono.
All right.
Kan ni me pa wa kan ni say. Let's talk about money in Nigeria. Nigerians and women used to say we were free Igbo, we were free Ogun State, we were free how we free how. Women never say you was so anything you would see to me at the end. But here the men had such a good hand says, Shall call him, or movie come. Omuyim one kasa, omuyim kama, omushe tribe by tribe, omushe sa wona kini, omushe sa wona funa, and no omu gada omu tabi, abien so ye nyame so because Ghana nyese be tuba ya. And then na libya ma o estadia no, enye ma pa. Na omunya omusha, and make now so it's no woman free home. No, and everyone. Ghana him.
All right, yeah, that's it. Before last call. Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho dini baby au kasa free.
But your premise on because I'm going.
All right, Sammy, it's you.
Okay. The master and Mujimati are more to see in one measure. And many of you are the sounds more. I'm a gun. So, Name I dear Hamata, sounds and any movie. The thing I'm having to say, you know, there will be a corporate accumulated a name movie. Now, because in the Abacotan and you can add the other moving the deer on the cry, and then you be prepared to study. Gun Hammond, yeah. Means him would be the TV station here. The kind of Emma, he papa, you go so season now, what is so one that brought from our business. Now, brought from Oklahoma Casano Crane, and said he moved in the Kokama, and the one who cried Yakono cry, and to the Diana Manny Song. If you get it, many moving air on somebody else. You have done fire, some from by and say the softness to be getting I come at the moment.
Yeah, but that's it. Now, yeah, the phone segment next year. Na ya to also with part 2 no. Nemo make out say na your special guest Abrante Pakwaku. Oye gospel musician na enwuma wode aba no enya agro. Ye ne be din komo. Na make out say betway.com.gh womo eboa yen pa. Womo na eboa yen ma Saturday bia no. Yetimi ede Sompa Xtra ebremo. Na de tie ni ene undi 18 years menko betway.com.gh menko mo website ho. Men ko hokra se wo kwako twa bet ni bi de bia meka enka no kwohwe ball ye hyewa wo de areho na ekofie se wo win nso a wo de anije nanso anije no bibia anim nyame adomenne akwanya ba wo betimi ahwe match awie na wasanya sika gu botom nemom e wo so hwe platform ana betway company a woni omo ana company a woni omo bedi djuma enti na make am for betway.com.gh amao se undi 18 years men ko afin so say bet wisely make sure say sika wo dey twa bet no eye wa o sika enye abusuan asase bi sika enye light bill enye water bill make sure say wa o sika na me gidi ye say wo twa omo de seconds na wadi odi ya nso na o sika ba enye betting company bi a go buy ya na I slow ube bia enye sometimes me kai ba kubi akabe 1 minute ama game yi awie ade so me born draw 95th minute network ade is slow na am say rade ade na 54 me twen say be 55 and then me call cash out and say 5 draw no e baako na say o ma sheda ma network no aye style bi nti hu say go aba sika no mo pese o mbetua enti ya no akọ cash out kakra bi na obenya ma hu ni ntem nanso betway.com.gh me borrow am website for no abibia nije ena ya chese me hwe game ya me de kofi fi se manya bia di eye ya so na kwenkran a reflect na se scanner betom enti me kan form e de am okọ website wa bibia betimanya ska agubotom. All right, my first story we ento aso last week ya de betom anim se Michael Blackson e de nsem bia ba no chemu a o se Ghana ye o superstars baako 4 na sa se mu anya man for de na ye nyina anim se shatter de nema bi sei no on fa na hogro so shatter etwe ben Michael Blackson no abra ofri abrochie ba yakọ shatter okọ chia no na shatter e ma ne tin nsem bi ase yenkoti emra.
No, Mike, welcome back home, though. Welcome back. Yes. But how come you just mentioned like we have only 4 superstars?
Maybe I saw Facebook says here na be shebi. I join you on YouTube.
No, but you should know your superstar.
I know. I left Ghana. I was a little boy.
So you only mention who?
I know you, Shatta Wale. I know the nigga that tried to shoot you, that some boy.
Yeah.
Then you got Sakodi, then you got the forehead. Then we got Black Sheriff, the nigga that can't get a visa.
Mike.
Is there more?
No, Mike, but this is it. So you mean you don't know Camilo?
Camilo, the sugarcane nigga.
Yeah.
He's not from Nigeria?
No, he's from Ghana.
Shit,
You don't know King Promise?
I promise to know him from here on.
You don't know Kidi? Kwamiji?
All right, then bra Facebook.
Samini?
Shatter NABC bizan nsem. Shatter bizan say man say na Mike oko kan nsem bi say Ghana or superstars baako 4. Ha, I don't know so yes ha. Unim Samini osi debi. Unim Daddy Lumba osi debi. Unim Lord Kenya osi debi. No say man, then you better know your stars. Also your Ghana ni dia and also to me who stars no one got number be anga say Ghana. Ye was superstars baako 4. And they one can ye cranty. Michael Blackson, their child papa also okay, see Ghana. You were almost 5 million superstars. I think then they not dear who fell. And see, no ensure. Na yen twas so elha. Na ya mammy don corner didn't say me aba, nan sem no esri ye pa. One senche betwaba. Na wachemu say, ze o hia bema, se nikunu ye be mfie mienu mi ensani. O hia bema foforo. Na bema wono ba be the first gentleman of the land wa bra ono maame akua donko watumi awini presidency no ye to abama no say president o hia be ma oba betena ne nsa se benkum se ni fanzin se o hia be ma oba betena ne nche no ne na buman no enti bra Facebook na behwe video no wa bra ye maame akua donko wo kan nsem se nche bia opese odi abano a obeye president ohia bema na hwe ya maame mfie obi a odi tundra okay sika de obi so okwa afuomu a tundra 4x4 no na odi fa bayere ne body ne ade ba fie so ohia bema na wabeye mema adwuma wa bra wa wini seat no yenko tiemra sisi a
mfie seni o ya se fie mi ana ya wo saba mfa se fie mi ni aba
Oh, okay. Okay.
How say can me yet? Yeah, jana kwai.
We you man.
Sa na no.
Ntu o sen wari bia na say there.
Sa party nti. O say be ma e di beto me so.
Oh.
Party nti. E be dum le no. Na ehia woni okro. Be ma bia na yire. Me so be ehia woni okro nti be ma be wa no. Ya di be da so sa na yire ne me no. One first gentleman.
Okay. And now you say the application for first gentleman.
All right, enti obetimi the application akọ. Obetimi the application akọ. Now so wetimi be first gentleman of the land. Na ne ya maame akua donko ba na ne tie a wudi ni chem. Na say bibia timi ai fine. All right. Yento aso na yemfa we so emra we arehosem na yangazangasa yenua bema na say ono so yekuma actor dodo no anim se friend Ras Nene ene your friend Dr. Likey yanti asem de watimi ahwe ne ba ketwa 3 months a chese no so koya arehosem pa nti na watwin de enkranhye sem ena yede ma yenua bema Ras Nene eba no entertainment industry no so ka ho nti yebema ne hyede nemum yenkohwe sene na ninuanmo no kafra hyeden ya akone de akeka ho na ayie no abra wo musie ne baketwa no sene na hositi me pa cho join you Facebook we anya Sompa TV a unhu oba bia enti join yen na behwe bi
the movie and
when I can find out on how to the end
abone mechanic said the movie industry and the entire fans of.
All right, enti mo be my abra na wo musie ne ba no na arehuye bra Facebook bra na behwe bi Sompa TV Ghana Sompa 93.1 bra ho na behwe bi afi nso betimi ahwe o Sompa TV so wo fia. All right, enti Dr. Likey yema oba ba ketwa no wabofra no yema se esrese nyankopon fa ne kransie yema shedding pa na enye easy na mamemfa we mienu we ntwa to na che Black Sheriff ena ono so ko Indomie ewa bontin sa de bia yemda na oto Indomie 20 cedis na sa video akọ viral pa o se madam ade na Indomie 20 CDs no. They say Indomie nanka say 7 CDs and I'm from my 13 CDs ana. Because when Indomie 20 CDs na video ni ode muntie. Black Sheriff o ama obi beka say waye yie nanso tie yie tie.
Maza. Indomie we mu ha 26.
Ba sin se no mu odu.
Ba we omo tie ni ko se ni na to. Ma da bi we mu ha no na dem we ma fia ne.
Ba we nko sha na ndaso ye dey afra.
Right, then Black Sheriff na ku Indomie ho no. Nye say yesi wanya skanti obi sisi wa mani sisi wo. Ade na o say mitimi tom from 13 CDs Indomie 7 CDs. Wa bra me say me to 20 CDs. Mama me aduane nankasa 7 na modem frama 13 agu package ni na mode ama me Ghana for na no dey ma me bi so chikosua 3 CDs. Aw. Ade na say ye please guy awon. Asemo. All right, so popular go bestseller. Ono so akọ viral pa sebi. De to be ye mema. Obitimi tuka free kaswa ebeto beans gobe ewo danso man. Hey, mema. Na ye bisa nse ade na wonne ma no social media we yi ne to no ye se no nya likes ne ade views ne unye bi na de bia o de packaging yi gina gobe yi hu na ensem say no the tudwa.
It's called Lotto Kiosk.
Lotto Kiosk.
Yeah, Chinebua Lotto Kiosk.
You sell on the vice presidential
Facebook
lane.
na be share sister here wo tongo be yes.
So people, there's always traffic on that road.
Facebook na be share bi why?
No really, but and I'm not on the roadside, so it's a walking distance from the road to my place.
There are a lot of people on Facebook now. Observers, they say, are worried. Believers are enjoying, and they are disturbed. But I know that you have to go onto TV. But if you look at the trend now of young ladies, instead of working, instead of trying to do hookup, I'm sure you've heard about it.
Yes.
And sell their bodies for money to survive. What would you say to them?
To me, it's not helping. Because when you get something of your own to do, it's more
but girl, we
profitable
serious
than using your body
to get
money.
We had been to cram, but what they tongue
even going to attract diseases and some stuff.
So TikTok now.
It's not reasonable and
you won't advise them to do it.
Please.
You look like you're 21 or 31.
All right, Senti, I say it's not advisable. Obetimi ape bibia ye de ama ho na o hwe ne form no na ti obetuka Africa so akodanso ma akoto gobe de abu bi wo ba bi ama me more 2 minutes.
Okay. For all the stories.
For all the stories. Say we there.
Yeah, ma me akua donko Mr. no me worry nti.
First gentleman.
Na o we ni abana meet my first gentleman of the land now open.
But now decide.
Skulfees.
Yeah.
Story I'm person make Shatawali.
Okay. Michael Blackson. All right.
By my catch was this week I was privileged to talk to Michael Blackson.
Okay.
Is it FaceTime? Obi being a name no friend.
Okay.
I don't know the trail. No.
Yeah.
He was a very nice person to me.
Yeah.
And he, Nassim no kind. Last week I was saying, I agree with him 100%. Cause, and then my bear for bina, me share, me say, when you look at the top 45 most followed celebrities in Ghana,
this is last week or the
yeah, you will see, say, out of that 45, the musicians, it is this top 4. Black Sheriff and Shadan Kahon, but we're saying that the momentum or the bano.
Yeah,
like very soon he will catch up with these people. Sarkodie is number 6 on the top most followed celebrities in Ghana. Okay. He has about 5 million followers. Followed by number 7, Stoneboy, 4.2 million followers. Okay. Now number 8, number 9, number 10, the actress Fela Emilia Probimo. And number 11 is Shatawali, 39 million followers.
Okay.
So we use
3.9.
3.9 million followers. 3.9. So we use Ankrofo we everywhere. Artists being and a bear in terms of following. Obiamba. I think the next person is about medical also. Yeah. He's number 22.
Okay. 22
top most followed celebrities in Ghana. He has 3 million followers on Instagram.
Okay.
Now Gabineso, looking at our following, of course, we have people on the street social media people or follow Sanko for so and also come look at the crowd of Mupuli when they come out. Sako the baby a crowd or Shatawale or crowd or Stumbo. So you see, number 2, their fan base. Obia him say Shatawale fan base is so big. Yeah. Stoneboy Beam Nation so big. Sack Nation so big. And when you look at this, you agree with what Blackson is saying. Yeah. Their branding. When you look at branding, you always say these are the top 4 guys and our top 3 guys are superstars for Ghana. Of course, we are not saying say artists be more people are doing their best. People are doing very good musically. But you could see say when it comes to being a superstar, someone that can compete international market to say the video money, the likes now. These are the 3 people like and the last one I want to talk about is or more international collaborations. Okay. These are the people or many international collaboration with outside artists. Other artists beyond Shedenya. Inti Blasson was right. Blasson is a comedian. Yeah. So what Shatawale was saying, I think he was acting like a comedy staff. Say the baby Sanibia or the Diagro. But we all know deep down say these are the top superstars. Say you chroma say. Now go back Selaya as American. Or back there is a reason to nyame edi nyame become say obebo ba obenya breast nice wenya shape nice is a very good thing. Now say obe you see ne shape social media no run home to say any other colleagues like on one pay on supporters hard no into say obeton obe share interview na say presenter na ya dey bi unzo amana antana say the focus is always on the ass. Into Amanantana. The grandma who say now. Yes, Wamanantana because or person be here who say this is the reason. Yes, and no soon and focus on life so more from Kaswa to Dansoman. And you say shena mindset or ukra. Yeah. A buano like why so humble. You meet a young girl beautiful like that. 24 years. Beautiful like that. No be say Jumano. No. And also saying and so I encourage other young people. So mama me cry where you maybe ma yes some the moon bejima boom. That is what we are all supposed to do. Into your boy girl now your friend no is it Celestine Etonam yeah Etonam your bonava sopa.
All right, meda say TI ba tamana omoye interview no just na mani ni ho
wa manant na
say kra na wo kana ma hu
ni shape no o bad ni shape pa na
meda say TI. All right, that's mama yenti o alen
ntika tisa komo de ne ba ha na ntika on tisa
ka uniforma
for be fa ka ba be wona betone aduane
komo method
omo tisa omo to ojana omo ye very young even younger than her but they are not captured. Is it because of the body shape?
Oba hun say entansi say oba bi say pagina gobe ho wo kona lie enya grow ka say si wo na amanfo mpanyimfo
100%.
Obeti ase what you ase ayepe what you ase ayepe yento aso yepe what you ase ayepe
na won ti ase
e to de
eyepa yanko
eto ede
iya kwan
esa ede
le ne ma pi
okay why
ene ye kasi ye jitem se dia
ezo bie kwan
ene ye bonyo
ebie kwan bo kwan to be bia kwan nie
eto ede
that's my baby Mr. de yanko
okay but that's lady need in fact why are they why are they enye obi ana obeyesa sene mudi kan no so ko TikTok se na ko hu videos bia on ahekra be ka say omun close up no I have unko krampo da
o ma sha say block ya manfo
oh yes omunya omu sa obi sa na sa wo mpa obetuna report ni pa ni page
oh okay
report ya omu beye but that's the person's content the person wonye no
okay
someone kasa na say bad
omu abe too one
yes someone kasa be close but say ono na fa that mentality ni so ono de
onye sa o de be ye adwuma
yeah na gobe so ye say opa adwane agidin nya se Ghana nko an
gobe eaters association nyina o Ghana
gobe agidin na ofasa on ton wa wachi wan ton kenki na gobe na agidin na o ye ne de in fact wa ya de on yire ne ho ma bon adwene sesa say bi o mo friend say o ye interviews nti na
o besisa na niti wa chia niti say ni chima ne de all right
oye na mami
okay donko
okay ya bra wa hair train nti mestre ne say baby o bia no
yenya bia ma no
yes yenya bia ma no
yenya bia ma no
yenya bia
ma
yes
but empire ye born say ti o me man broken heart
oh that
broken heart ya kasa cry nti ase because one na so
me ma broken heart
okay ona na so open nti mpacho baby awo bia no yenya bi wa ha mo de yan so betu ka ba fa ne ko
ti so do be boa mo why good policies e be boa man no oh obetua bibi o so be ye ne ho ade
na
sa eh
na okuni de
say
oye
oh mama no experience o
they make what I say
what I say
na me ba pa no boy sick
obe wa chani bibia
obokuni say
na onkuni de
say
un say mami anyini bibia ni fie du
that no experience
na a very young
and energetic
guy out here say ope ya mami ya
obokuni say
ebia mpasa bro
yeah
e kana dwane no de obetima no dwane amani
oh
hey no okono wa chema no ya bro kon say no da ho a onku no
owi obe massage
yes
all right yenko oboy siki wona yentie kakra ono so woka
media no ejina maame no so
maame akwa donko
Ghana ha agro we ni so esan say maame akwa donko oba first one
aye
amzo antim kra register o
aye
second one em said bro ba people so
e fama no
Sompa 93.1 inti Ghanaians na se mado so chei
emema
nti ma no maku school no obie ni akudro say on so be ko independent na wa be frank bearer
okay me no ya dream pa
me twi wa menti ase se nipa wo maku school bebre ewo
yeah
nimdiefo wo mbetima ye policies papa oba bia ntimi nyina se yento aba manada maami a o try se obeye bie no honhom boni ni beye honhom ni ahoya eno di koye bie aye Jerry John Rollins ayire
your late president ne wife
ne yire
Mame Kunadu Ajiman Rollins. Okay.
Because on deserve class or basse or be ye.
Oh, so
Frank Bearer. No.
Okay.
Ukunu and the BD and a ye first lady.
Yeah.
And the Ukuna so being sa. And Nakojina.
Now so Ukojina.
O Simini Bako.
Akopre.
And we are
Unjini se senya woka se omo educated a betimi aboa de good policies aba.
Yo no.
Mama no
de na we chese baby o free ban. Wo kunu no jiwedi.
No ordinaba.
And ordinaba.
Okay.
I'll say so ye dey.
Ukopre.
Baby. Inti Ghanaians no wo hwe ma no a obi antimi anya saade no a. Eye ma werɛ ho. Se wo matimi ama maami we ne de eye movie industry. And that's what.
Okay.
Near you soon didn't chat either YouTube and a series now.
Since all views and the fans
in the Moyan war Kumsunu
village honor
Matilda and Moyano. Nan come did not him. because mami a wɔte wɔ yi a da bi ɔmo ma ne kwai
man kasa
your friend say enye kasa no mpo obewura mu ekotare president mama ho ekodi abai no sika oji wo mu sika di campaign time okodi
anya na okonya ho tunra na ode kwa fumi
ekoji ni sika di na anu ya de na na kufu adudie owura mu koji abai ni sika edi enti maami a oye scammer ayi politics enti obi entumi emanu obi entumi nya gogodro ma say maami we meyi comedy nkyere Ghanaian because of secondary no ye serious because country bi a wo mani abre no sani ma we entumi nkoso even at all kasampo odimiye bibia woye bia ensisi so
okay
ana presidential you know
say mami obia nini trim maybe anon so good policies be person
de ba just say even at all there woye kura onima de kro
okay
adeɛ na wɔyɛ na wɔsi wɔ bɛpɛ akonwa na di no onima de korɔ onim nimdeɛ bia wɔ ho
okay
ɛno anso ɔkɔbata wɔn ho a na ɔmo atab na ɔmo de ne kɔ aburukyiri ɔkɔbata wei mɛ kampa ama na wɔbɛdidi
ɔmo
ho na wɔsɛ akasa etia
wɔmo
baako a wɔni nafa
okay
etimi sɛ ɔbɛyɛ bibia meka sɛ yɛ me fa na meboa me bibia wɔyɛ bia yɛ me tai esan sɛ o deserve sɛ nkɔbɛyɛ concert party ana sɛ wɔwɔ wei no mu on deserve sɛ saa nsɛnsɛ mu yi yɛdiri tum ɛma otim bɛkasakasa ɛwom ɛma yɛtimi discuss no wɔnyɛ obi a ɛsɛ yɛ discuss no wɔ politics no enye kura tai Ghanaian media for especially omusua nyansam free sa nipa we on Kofi Aduma fine gentleman wo ye interview wo tim say interview no ba bia e ko no
enkoyie
ya ade a adwen no kura no ensisi so
so here Bema obey first gentleman of the land.
No, we walk and the Bema no Benya no. Politics in the crowd, woman Bemuno. Where credit say or Koha.
Omo kwan.
Woman
crowd. Politics they will be our home kwan so to me didn't.
That's what could draw my dear Omusad Wenty. I say, or Bedid will be at him. Or be catch it. Or yes, sir. You ever go far where your friend say.
Why?
President, President, yes, you have
forms, nomination forms, no.
Number 2 for be answer.
All right.
Obi Adam for say, oh, to me, Bao.
Only one at that screen is
what can I said that, you know. So,
yeah,
a crowd was Johnny, I wait to me, I say, dear, we can. Or what on ma. Now say, yes, here, what to a bar. Ama, sa win or more a crew noir. Onu Timbi.
O Timbi.
Aye.
Okobi. O Timbi pa.
Na yes ebia ade na yekoto no. Sika bi se nti ye che sika bi se ya.
Na wajibi.
No ya ka che nso nkoto ma we because we dia wo beka en obeye dey.
Obeye.
En obeye.
Okay.
Enya ye mu mai sa Ghana ye nya serious.
All right.
Ghana for pay for mu nsie nyansa. No minya sa ni mata time. Ni abodam sam na ya wo di
ba. TV
so mai.
Yes, bro. Yeah, that's it, papa. Why is he?
Bro.
My inti we.
Me that's pa. Me call comedian now say
okay. Michael Blackson or say Ghana or 4 superstars pay.
Ni view ana wo kan ye.
Yeah.
Na Shatawale di na say ye mongo kakra. Say okan na ko yi Shatawale free mo.
Okay.
Anka ebeya sem kese pa o Ghana. Kamenya sho say Shata be frɛ no ene na di nkomo asere and tutie edi kwa na shatawale bobo kwa na say mimi hunu say or say those musicians as do mu di agro
sa
na ada wunim kwa mi yuji ana ada wunim kidi ana
okay watch my advances bibi so that means he was making fun of them.
Oh yes
to say that bisa wunim na lumba wunim kwa mi yuji wunim kamido uniwe
okay se lumba wo hono ma wani shatawale
yeah
so boy no wani
amachi dede wo kwadwantwi wo
na siana na number do free mu
yeah
na number do nyuma wo no the whole world obi no obi
yeah
it is a body na nkashata wale di amemo a ka kwa na America bombo obato ho no no
enya agro
enya but ni dimbe mu no de
okay we okay
es rinkrofo
okay
meba goberu ano so in fact
na wo hwe me dem hu na mama say otimi tuka Africa so a all right my video no video ba ku bi aba na oye market
mo ba bi ti say amasama nkran kameko
hey we free amasama yakọ dance ma ko togobe my hwe video we why is hwe video we mame hwe video we e ba jo bia mra Facebook video we dey wan hwe bia ade ayew what was that guy no comment no that guy no comment no hey amishrawa no ashrawo obi so abegina o meto hwe o hwe why is bram na send aye dia no ya ye den boys gobe I want on gobe onie aka ni nyina na boy net na se hwe wato fam hey obi a ukoto gobe hwe me ba jo video we obi a me hwe Rade de to be ye mema to pa rade what dey you okay ayo si enko
makro fe eto ma ni je ba wiase eto ma mema ni je
enokre
ajuti pa ni pa bia obi ha me chi ha so ba bia me se sem wo mo amasama ya
obeko dance ma ko togobe no asemni
because unya ko na koto sa gobe ni wiese kim ahomka obenya no the rest of 72 hours no
anya gobe de bi wa amasaman
da bi
eish
body na gina ho na ton gobe anya body kiti wo
but hey akwa no gobe ni kura hwiagu
say no masa to front obenya sika
hwiagu wa hweto na mana hwiagu say no obesa to foforo
na me say me koto nka me nko
obi ti hodi boga na ti hodi gobe no
me nko in fact ya no nyamia hwe na ho fo nyamia chena de pa na ono so no ade amama pana sempanza wan fa ni nkosa sem social media
yeah no de die na djuma
ko ni ma fu bia ya ya na
yeah
chama se bi otafa che ebi mo yi na timi epie bo se
eish mum
bisa
mi hu bisa
o we ni yitia se ne
mi hu bisa
na se ho bra kanu grow
anu edi ho
o so ni o
enu na make se mi share bis said da bi na no kra mi share da nya sure
enye fe
all right
social media no man fu didi wo ho but ebi mu kono too high too much e ba sa emwa so emwa ma life no ye pese ni ama mu koduro no
amun koduro
ho all right africa kra bi bo obon what a shock
yeah
we ko obi anu wa frɛ wo ko to obi en frɛ wo
God to glory
obi
azon frɛ
obi an frɛ
all right ye better say ye be ba homa no so na ya beti amanfo so adwenkyerɛ na na ye special guest no watena se abrantepa kwaku watena se oya abrantepa so ampa yankɔhwɛ ni video we mra ye ba latest one ode aba no ye ba bɛka ho asɛm ɛya na mahwɛ YouTube na ma me director ahwɛ YouTube na ma ye drop video no ne instrumentals ma hwede obetima all right yeah the best but yeah what boys games no games na na ekoso no mo fa to screen is on mine na games we there Independence Day football games no finals no boys fire from
on the 14th no na yeah she says adwumadi we
okay
yeah February Valsday
no
and yeah ball match net teams ni 8
baku 8
okay and your boy and 4 qualify into 4 na qualify and old black star for no
okay
and bloggers also qualify and now we see actors and so qualify and a little black star
okay
theater for almost qualify in this finals in the bono 6 match no
okay
Monday we are no ebe hu achen first one because we dey say no a man be sabubi
okay
getting reason a man breman asotef
okay all right
eno na baso it will be also kra no ena me twam cake
oh yeah
me twam cake anti obi a o person baby bia no o ba betimi di champagne aba ya bo cake ya twa.
All right, Nyankopon show bibia yemre nti ye de besia na Sompa news no atimi ato so Nyankopon show bibia oba ye mo amantimi anya kwanya amfre no ye damase sabribia mutie Nyankopon show medi de Michael Donko betimi afre me Skulfees the Gunners ti e ba ye wayosi dache hima ebe kan ye ho ye ma ne yakọ ne akwa basronko abrantepa kwakunso o follow no a social media abrantepa kwakunenwum no ho e de yie ye de si na Sompa Xtra atimi ato aso e de amamo.